I almost quit YouTube. Not because I didn't care, not because I'm lazy, but because I've been uploading, experimenting, failing over and over without a breakthrough. Yet I have 133 subscribers. This is YouTube video number 21 for me. 20 times I've written, filmed, edited, designed thumbnails, and hit publish. And still almost no views, no big moments. And then I realized this isn't just a YouTube problem. This is the same frustration you feel when you're trying to lose weight, start a business, write a book, learn a skill, any skill, and nothing seems to be working. There's a name for it, the Plateau of Latent Potential. If you understand it, you'll never see your progress the same way again. James Clear explains it in Atomic Habits like this. Picture an ice cube in front of you at -4 degrees Celsius. Nothing happens. -3, nothing. -2, -1, still nothing. Then, exactly at 0 degrees, the ice starts melting. Those early degrees weren't wasted. They were quietly building up the energy for that sudden change. It looks like all of a sudden everything happened, the overnight success. Right now, my YouTube channel feels like that ice cube. Each upload is another degree warmer. Every subject I share, every edit I learn, every thumbnail I tweak, none of it seems hot enough yet. But I know the melt will come. Maybe 6 months from now, maybe 5 years. I don't know. This is where most people give up. They're in that long, flat stretch where the effort feels huge and the results look tiny. And remember, it's not just YouTube. It's fitness, business, art, or even relationships. Our brains are wired for instant feedback. When we don't get it, we assume nothing's happening and that something's gone wrong. And we stop, we get discouraged. But quitting here, it's like walking away from that ice cube at -1 degree, 1 degree away from the melt. So here's my experiment. I'm staying in the game, through the flat line, through the nobody's watching videos, like this one, or maybe the next one, or the next 50 ones. And even if this one gets 20 views, because I know when the tipping point comes, it will look like an overnight success from the outside. But we'll know it was just the moment the ice finally melted. And if you're about to quit, remember this. You might not be failing. You might just be warming up the ice. Stay long enough to see it melt. And if you're in that plateau right now with me, drop a comment saying, I'm still in the game, so we know we're in this together. If you want to see this breakthrough happen in real time, the wins, the flops, and the moments the ice will eventually melt, hit subscribe now. And if you want help to push through your own plateau, I'm currently offering a free consultation. The link is in the description below. We'll make sure you stick around long enough to hit your own tipping point. Thank you for following my journey. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.